Best deals.
1. Oval canister. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Water can. Has faucet designed to easily carry water and prevent leakage. Water storage container hold hot and cold water with strong water tap. Saves space by storing water in bottle, convenient to carry around. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Turntable tray. Is easily expandable. Extra trays, which are available separately, can be added, can handle high temperatures and make moving from oven to table a breeze. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Serving casserole. Made with outer material PP in an inner body of high-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Easily removable container and lids for convenient cleaning and maintenance. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Hanging basket. The unit includes racks for storage multipurpose use, making it an ideal accessory for any small space. The storage rack features an easily accessible basket for storage. This feature makes it perfect for kitchen storage or as a vegetable basket for kitchen use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Puttu maker. Made from high-grade stainless steel, the puttu maker is completely food-grade, free from rusting or cracking. Consumes less fuel and highly durable. The puttu maker works on both gas stove and induction stove. It includes heat-resistant protective handles and cap on the container body, has sturdy, cool Bakelite handles and knobs. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cylinder trolley. Is designed for extreme Indian kitchen conditions. Made of high-quality steel. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Chopping board. The rectangular shape offers a stylish, contemporary look while ensuring a comfortable grip, making chopping effortless and convenient. Made from high-quality, BPA-free food-grade materials. Designed for effortless operation, it enables quick and precise chopping, reducing prep time. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Toothbrush holder. Easy installation without drilling. Strong self-adhesive backing ensures firm wall mounting, perfect for modern bathroom accessories setup. Stylish penguin-shaped holder adds aesthetic look to your bathroom while keeping essentials organized. Perfect for toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, shaver, tongue cleaner, makeup brushes and more, all in one bathroom organizer. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Glass double measuring cups. Ideal for baristas and coffee lovers at home, the 100 ml volume helps you brew rich, double shot coffee in one go without multiple pours, perfect for accurate brewing and serving. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Ice cube tray. One-click quick release, smart press to release mechanism drops ice cubes effortlessly without twisting, bending, or spilling. Airtight cover prevents dust, odors, and freezer smell from entering, keeping your ice clean and fresh. Comes with a spacious bin to store multiple batches of ice cubes, perfect for efficient freezer organization. Made from durable PET, PP, and ABS materials for safe, long-term use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Roti tawa. Hard anodized aluminum, tough and durable, will not pit, tarnish or corrode and will stay looking new for years. It is preferred for heavy gauge, and a good balance that makes cooking easy and the results delicious. The stainless steel handle is stay cool and comfortable. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tray. Crafted from premium engineered wood that combines strength and stability. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. Blades can easily cut potatoes, onions, cucumbers, carrots and more. The innovative wider handle makes it very easy to work with, while the non-slip base ensures stability in use. Safely and easily cut fruits and vegetables in half the time. The diced vegetables are neat and square, which is more beautiful than hand cutting. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Grease can. A removable fine mesh strainer which is fine enough to filter out old batter pieces from cooked items. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Soap dish. Simple and elegant design of this soap holder gives premium look to your bathroom, kitchen and washroom walls. This soap box is completely waterproof so it never falls once it sticks to walls. Holder is made of high quality ABS material which is stronger. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Lunch box. Enjoy your hot food by placing me in a microwave. Bake your favorite dish from pasta to lasagna and surprise your loved ones. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Yogurt maker. Fresh homemade yogurt contains exponentially more beneficial gut bacteria than store-bought varieties, supporting your family's immune system against seasonal illnesses. Good bacteria help reduce bloating, improve nutrient absorption, and support regular digestion, especially important for growing children and your own wellness. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dustbin. Waterproof design, ensures durability and reliability, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and other damp environments. Provides hands-free operation, improving hygiene. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Scrub brush. 30 cm wide brush head with durable stiff bristles covers large areas quickly and effectively removes stubborn dirt and grime. Built-in squeegee edge efficiently removes excess water and soap, leaving surfaces dry and streak-free in one motion. 45-degree angle design reduces back strain, while detachable parts allow easy storage. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Tongs. Are made of food-grade plastic, which is safe and durable to use. Very sturdy, light and easy to grip. The non-slip handle and ergonomic design make it easy to grip. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Non-sticky clip, easy to hold food such as ice, bread, meat. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Candy machine. Removable bowl and splash guard for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Oil sprayer. Fuel injector produces a uniform, pure oil mist. If you use our fuel injectors, you can use less oil when preparing food such as BBQ, grilling, making salad, and baking. It makes the diet healthier. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Strainer bag. Made from 100% natural unbleached cotton, ensuring safe, healthy, and chemical-free straining. Filters even the smallest particles, delivering smooth yogurt, milk, juices, coffee, or cheese. Ideal for hung-curd, nut milk. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Sandwich cutter. The serrated edges and sealing function allow you to easily cut sandwiches into fun shapes while securely enclosing fillings inside. Crafted from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel for years of dependable use when preparing and serving foods. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Shelf. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Organizer. Crafted from the highest quality precision-engineered materials to ensure extended durability. The robust construction ensures that this storage solution can withstand regular use. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Stone mill. Is made from good quality stone and is compact in size. It helps us grind the grains to the perfect consistency we desire. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Milk boiler. Features advanced double wall insulation for faster heating, enhanced heat retention, and a cool to the touch exterior. Equipped with 2 heat-resistant Bakelite handles for a comfortable, secure, and safe grip, preventing burns and providing easy handling while pouring. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Lunch box. Made from borosilicate glass making it resistant to microwave, oven and refrigerator. Can withstand high temperature up to 350 degrees centigrade, containers are designed with tight-fitting, airtight and leak-proof lids that comes with silicone rings to keep your food safe and stay fresh for longer, making it easy to transport your meals to work, school, travel. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric kettle is made from premium food-grade silicone that ensures your drinks are free from harmful substances. Compact and lightweight, our kettle easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for days out with the kids, work, or travel. Prepare your favorite hot beverages within 5 minutes, saving you precious time in your busy day. No complicated instructions, just unfold, fill with water, plug into a socket, and switch it on. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. The compact design of our kettle means it takes up minimal space, leaving plenty of room for your children's essentials and your personal items. It's a must-have for all busy moms on the move. Sleek, lightweight kettle fits neatly into your bag and provides hot beverages or meals anytime, anywhere. It's the perfect ally for the super mom that you are. The food-grade silicone material makes it incredibly easy to clean after use. With a 600 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for serving hot drinks or meals for you and your little ones. Ideal for those busy mornings, hectic office hours, or when traveling, ensuring a hot, comforting drink is always within your reach. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Grater. Smart design with an inbuilt container for effortless food prep. Advanced sliding technology, unique food holder that moves on track for extra comfort and safety. Heavy duty, rust-resistant blades that withholds sharpness for long. Diverse and detachable blades, 5 different options: V-slicer, wavy slicer, julienne, two-way julienne and a fine shredder for variation in chopping and cutting. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Egg pan. Can be used to make Japanese egg rolls, omelets, pancakes, bread toasts, French fries. Heavy gauge aluminum construction for quick and even heat distribution, 100% safe, food grade non-stick interiors with a beautiful, scratch-resistant porcelain exterior. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. The pan features the right shape and dimension to create authentic tamagoyaki eggs. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention. Its heavy gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention that helps you prepare delicious Japanese rolled omelets in the beautiful yellow shade using minimal oil. This frying pan is specially designed with a distinctive square shape and sloped sides to help chefs effortlessly create delicious tamagoyaki. Enjoy the pleasure of cooking. Enjoy a sturdy and durable cast aluminum interior that is super easy to clean. Simply wipe the fry pan with a paper towel or rinse it with water for easy cleanup, promoting sustainability with less CO2 emission and water wastage. The Japanese egg pan features a perfect magnetized base for rapid heat transfer. Suitable for gas, ceramic, electric, and induction stove tops. Heats up quickly and evenly for reliable performance. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Electric spin mop. The spin mop wet mops hard floor of home and kitchen floor quickly. Perfect on floor tiles, wooden floor, laminate floor, marble floor. Simply press and hold the spray button on the handle to spray water and mop. The mopper fabric disc works with 150 rpm speed for effective mopping, 180-degree swivel handle and 2-step adjustable extension rod for easy cleaning. Its cordless design and powerful dual motors spin at 145 rpm high speed, effortlessly tackling stubborn stains, dirt, and dust on hardwood, tile, laminate, marble, and vinyl floors. Plus, it operates at a quiet sound, ensuring a peaceful cleaning experience without disturbing your home. Tackle tough messes with ease. The electric spin mop comes equipped with a built-in water sprayer, allowing you to target stubborn stains and spills directly. Perfect for deep cleaning and maintaining spotless floors. Powered by a 2000 2 mAh rechargeable battery, this mop delivers up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted dry cleaning and 45 minutes of wet mopping after just 4 hours of charging. Easily cover up to 2,350 square feet in one go. Includes 2 different pairs of washable mop clothes for continuous cleaning convenience. Cleaning hard to reach areas as a breeze. The automatic electric mop features a lightweight design and a 180 degrees swivel head, allowing you to effortlessly clean around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. No more heavy lifting or awkward angles. Advanced silent technology ensures low noise operation, making it perfect for use in home, kitchen and offices without any disturbance. Operates at below 50 decibels, ensuring a peaceful cleaning experience without disturbing others. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. The electric spin mop includes 2 different pairs of washable and reusable mop pads, perfect for deep cleaning and maintaining hygiene. Simply wash and reuse for a sustainable cleaning solution. Electric spin mop comes in a sleek, well-packaged design, making it the perfect gift for loved ones. Give the gift of effortless cleaning and watch them enjoy a cleaner, healthier home. Designed for convenience and efficiency, this cordless mop features dual 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. Its 180 degrees swivel design and built-in water sprayer make it perfect for navigating around furniture and tackling stubborn stains on hardwood, tile, marble, and other hard floors. With a lightweight design and washable mop clothes, the Robuzen M1 ensures eco-friendly and effortless cleaning. Enjoy a quiet cleaning experience, making it ideal for homes, kitchens, and offices. Product link is given in the 34th link.